So my recruit's making us our stereotypical
iced
cops.
coffee with almond milk.
We're at Dunkin' Donuts. He's getting his iced coffee.
What's that?
Almond milk only.
That'll do it. Thanks.
Go for it. 2359.
All right, so here's another one for you called the cops for what? So the call states resident threw sticks in the road. It's a traffic hazard. The person who called this in complained to the city's code enforcement, who wasn't going to come out for this, so they called us. Okay, so I drive out here. I'm going to now show you the sticks in the road. If you guys can see that, it's a little pile of debris and branches and whatnot that gets cut down from the tree. So the way it works in our city is they have designated pickup days, and you are told by the city to put that stuff right where it is, that little pile, and then they come by with a truck and they scoop it up. So the mere fact that neighbors or somebody on this street, and it's a little dead-end street, okay? So there are no cars that come down here other than the 3 or 4 people that live on this street, code 4, that this would even bother, and they said it's a traffic hazard. That's not a traffic hazard. Look at these. There's vehicles parked on the road that take up more room than this little pile of sticks. Like, there's real problems in the world, and this is your problem? I mean, come on, guys. Like, I just... All right, guys, so I'm headed to a call that is it's called a Keep the Peace. And basically what it is in a nutshell is we come by and just stand by as a mediator for various issues. Sometimes it's child custody issues, picking up, dropping off kids. 9 out of 10 times what it is it has to do with property. People moving out of residences, boyfriends, girlfriends breaking up, things like that. And they have to go back and get their property, and they don't want to get into a fight or an argument with the other person involved. So that's what I'm headed to right now. This guy says he needs to get some lawn equipment and stuff from his estranged sister's house, and he can't be around her without getting into it with her. So we'll see how this goes. What's up, partner?
She's a heroin addict, and she's been taking care of my father. They've got our battery and their truck, so we need to borrow their car. So anyway, long story short, they're here just visiting. My sister came out of the house in a freaking rampage because I had asked her, I think you're used.
Are they here right now?
My sister isn't. No.
Okay.
It's 2 streets away. All I want is my mower, my blower. We want our belongings and my battery because we can't ride our car without the battery.
Okay.
Her battery's in the back because I'm going to take mine out, put hers back in. Hers is in the back of the truck.
Okay.
The original battery.
Okay.
But we want our battery because that's why we had to borrow the car. But long story short, I have a broken back and she knows it. My dad is ill, and it's kind of gross.
I'm chilling.
My dad thinks that.
Well, let's head over there. Let's. Are you guys driving this car?
I'm not going to go. Look, this is how cool I am. I'm not going to go because I will excite the problem. Okay.
Fair enough.
All right. Thank you so much for taking the time out.
No problem. I'm going to back out of here, and I'm just going to follow you. All right. All right. So we're going to follow this guy on over to where the actual house is of this sister that she was just telling me about. There's always something more than what it sounds like. We get these calls and you read the notes, and obviously you heard the majority of her story, and then it's this, that, and the other thing, and well, I want to do this if she doesn't give me my stuff back, and it just turns into a mess. So we'll see how this unfolds when we get there and what we actually have. You said the truck's not here, so you can't do the battery thing.
I was gonna grab the blower.
Okay.
That's it.
Do you think she's here, or if the truck's gone, she's gone?
Yeah, she's gone.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, just get...
Sorry about that, man. This has been drama nonstop, and I am just laid back, try to stay out.
Nah, that's fine.
Family stuff, man.
Yeah, that's I try not to get into family stuff if I don't need to. I mean, if we have to go that route.
In the heat of the moment, or you may not feel this way. Just calm down. But thank you very much.
Yep.
I appreciate it.
Is that all you needed to get right now for here? Okay. All right. Take care. Oh, puppies. Hi, guys. Yeah, sure.
So my daughter could drive them to St. Pete.
Right.
Okay. He never brought the car back. And you're not dealing with a sane person.
Well, she says the same thing about her. So, you know,
listen,
it's two-way street.
Listen, this girl is not like
okay.
her.
Well, now let me ask you this. He was saying that there's some issue with batteries that they were trying to swap. Can we maybe...
Batteries in that truck, and the truck wasn't here.
Right.
When she just called.
Right.
Okay, so I will give you that battery.
Well, he just left. He had the tools. I don't have tools. I'm not going to take the battery out. Can we call him and just have him come right back over here?
He can come back.
All right. You guys want to call him and have him come back here so we can just get this battery thing handled while we're here so nobody argues or fights anymore and be done with it? Can we do that? Or
I don't.
What it sounds is like a bunch of family members that can't get along.
Well,
and that's not really...
Never happened before now.
Right.
She came into my house. I've had a couple of heart attacks and started aggressing me for being bitchy about him having my car all day.
Right. Hey, look, listen. I wasn't here for any of it.
All right.
Okay? I'm just telling you what she's telling me and what they were trying to accomplish. All right? That's all I'm here for. They called us because they specifically did not want a fight or an argument to go down when they came here to try and, you know, do the stuff. And she admitted that she's a hothead.
Time to do this.
Okay. Then what needs to be done right now? Let me ask you that. What's going to resolve this? It sounds like a bunch of nonsense to me.
It is nonsense.
All right?
She's a bully. She's a horribly crazy woman that we have been trying
She says the same thing about you. So, you know,
not.
put yourself in my shoes. Then what needs to be done right now? Let me ask you that. What's going to resolve this? Okay.
She will go to my job and get me fired. You don't know.
Wait, you're just telling me, you just told me this is the first time any of this has ever happened. Now all of a sudden she's this crazy, insane person that can do all these horrible things to you.
Well, I can call my brother, honey.
You know, what needs to happen? Does your car need to come back here? Does there batteries that need to be swapped? What can I handle right here and right now? I'm going to go have a talk with her as soon as this is over.
There's one battery.
Well, I'm not lugging batteries around. That's not part of my job description. I get a hernia. 342 CD. Would it be possible for you to call back the original complainant and let them know that the other party is back here at the house and maybe to send her husband back over here so he could pick up the property while we're still here? 42, you can disregard if they haven't already. They just pulled up.
Yeah, please go in the
Yeah,
house.
just don't bait into it. You're going to make yourself all worked up over...
Please go in the house.
We
We don't need this or deserve this. Please go in the house.
Nobody's going to arrest you. Don't worry. Okay, that's fine. You want to just finish working on the battery?
You know, so anyway, I'm done. I'm done with all these people with my mowers in the back.
They're saying that that's theirs.
Listen, I've had to ask them how long I've had it. 3 years. My mother, listen, my mom died,
Her mom died.
and they moved out of state. They moved way down to Naples, and I had to clean everything out. That is my
The other
mower,
sister.
Okay. So now I've got to give away stuff that I've been using for 2 years. 3
Well, here's the problem, all right? It's here.
Okay, never
They're
mind.
saying it's theirs,
Guess
so
what?
you could take it to civil court.
Oh my God! No, I'm gonna
Okay.
go. Come on, no, we're going.
No.
There, I'm leaving. Come on.
Okay, are we getting these batteries or not?
Oh my God! You have no idea that you are letting something like this go on.
They said the exact same thing about you. They said, you're crazy. You're the one that started all of
I
this.
didn't start nothing. I called you and asked you to please get my stuff back.
And I'm here trying to do that.
Okay, I'll deal with it my way.
You
All right,
know.
come on, Lori. Lori, come on.
Are you getting these batteries or not?
I have to pull up so I have a broken back.
Okay.
Is that okay?
Yeah, that's fine. Okay, it's right here.
You can ask them guys if this car was here.
Does it just need to go in your trunk? I'll put it in the trunk just to resolve this.
Thank you so much.
No problem.
All right. You guys, thank you for coming.
She says you're the drug addict.
I'm a recovering.
Okay. So listen, I mean, here's the deal. Obviously, you heard that. You heard what's going on. I mean, it's a bunch of he said, she said. There's really not anything I can work with, but she's, you know, pissed off about it.
Yeah.
So, and she's like, I'll handle this myself, don't worry. So just be mindful of it, all right? Try and ignore her. If she starts calling you, text and whatever, just ignore it. Don't bait into it, because I mean, she even told me that she's like hostile when it comes to this stuff. So she's looking for a fight, all right? She's looking for, you know, drama. And all right, best of luck to you guys. No problem. The other thing you could consider doing is going down to the courthouse and filing for an injunction. And then that way she can't call you, she can't text you, she can't come to this house, she can't come to your work. If she does, she'd be arrested. So I would look into that. Then you could just drive right down to the courthouse and do that Monday through Friday, normal business hours. All right, take care. Hey everybody, thanks for riding along with me today. I hope you enjoyed going on a couple of calls with me to see a few of the things that we do. If you're new to this channel, consider subscribing if you want to see some more content like this. If you enjoyed it, if it was helpful to you, consider giving it a thumbs up. For the moment that everybody's been waiting for, yes, we hit 6,000 subscribers. We did it within, I want to say, 3 days of when I put out that video about doing the giveaway. I appreciate everybody's suggestions and ideas. I have actually put together a bit of a pot of things, so there's gonna probably be more than one giveaway. I have several patches. The chief himself is donating a challenge coin to the giveaway. I have a holster that I'm gonna give away, and I'm still gonna get, and I just haven't decided whether it's a flashlight or a knife. It's probably gonna be like a utility knife, something that like everybody could use, whether it's law enforcement or not, this time around. But one of the other ideas that somebody said was the combat tourniquets like we wear. If I can get one of those quick enough, I might toss that in there too, because that's useful to everybody. So anyway, here's the deal. If you are interested in this giveaway, comment in this video and let me know whether you are actively seeking a profession in law enforcement or whether you're just a general law enforcement supporter. And what I'm gonna do is, as I pick the winners, I'll probably divvy up the things that would be more specific for somebody entering into a career of law enforcement to be eligible for those, and then my supporters for a patch or a t-shirt or something, whatever other little things I can come up with. So leave them in the comments below and I will pick a winner and I will announce it in the next vlog. Maybe 2 vlogs from now. I might give it 2 weeks, we'll see. So within 1 to 2 weeks, I'll go ahead and I'll announce the winner of that. I'll get your guys' contact information and I'll get this stuff shipped out to you. I hope everybody's having a great day. Thanks again for all your support. Thanks for watching the videos, and we'll see you in the next one.